Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Suryayani binti Simin. My matric number S51437. Would like to present about the introduction on plastic waste and why Malaysia makes us top 10. Plastic waste refer to the accumulation of the plastic item such as plastic bottle, and large amount of plastic cannot be recycled. The plastic waste will adversely affect wildlife habitat and human. We have been using plastic as an affordable, versatile and durable material. However, because large amount of plastic takes centuries to decompose, so all the plastic shipped to landfill is usable. Plastic are synthetic or semi-synthetic organic polymers. In other words, although other elements may be present, plastic always certain carbon and hydrogen. Why Malaysians makes us top 10 in the plastic waste? The Green Organization Worldwide Fund for Nature said that Malaysians are the large consumer of plastic packaging. Malaysia is one of 10 countries analyzed by per capita use of plastic packaging. The reason why Malaysians use plastic the most because Malaysian people are the wealthiest. So we can see why Malaysia is included in the top 10 of the plastic waste. That's it for me.
Assalamualaikum, I am Rosita Izlin binti Muhammad Rao, S52606. Would like to present about how those plastic cause pollution. There are three pollution that I will explain, that is air pollution, solid pollution and water pollution. For the first is air pollution, that is burning plastic waste. Open burning of plastic that can release fumes of smoke will cause haze. In addition, it will also release dioxide and carbon monoxide, which are harmful to human health and can cause death. Burning waste can cause air pollution as it produces carbon dioxide emissions. This will cause the ozone layers to thin out. Global warming is getting worse and the earth temperature is rising. But the second one is garbage disposal at landfills. Plastic bags that are difficult to decompose. The soil takes between 100 to 500 years. Plastic takes a long time to decompose and the duration depends on where the materials is located. This will give consequences, among other things, namely pollution of land, groundwater, and underground creatures, toxin from plastic particles that enter the soil will kill animals that decompose in the soil like worms. Plastic cannot decompose, even if eaten by animals or plants, will be a chain poison according to the food chain sequence. And for the last one is dumping of plastic waste into the sea, that is water pollution. The unstoppable use of plastic causes plastic waste accumulate in rivers and sea and end up in sea. Management and disposal at waste that are not yet strategic has led to the accumulation of the more plastic waste in the sea. The accumulations of plastic waste in the sea can cause serious and prolonged impacts such as damaging marine ecosystem, increasing seawater water pollution, and destroying fish and others that can be consumed by humans. The animals will become entangled in plastic pile, for example, dolphins, sea turtles, and so on. Consider these plastic bags as food and eventually die because they cannot digest them, means the plastic. That's all from me about how plastic can cause pollution. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Nur Zaliha, S52384. Okay, now I will continue about the prime causes of plastic waste going. Firstly, plastic is cheap, available, and widely used. This is because people and plastic are inseparable because many of them depend on the use of plastic in their daily life. Moreover, plastic is cheap material that can be found everywhere from the packaging materials. However, some of them who are not responsible, they are throwing their garbage everywhere and not in the right place, and this will give the serious impact on the environment, food industry, and so on. Secondly, population is on the rise. In other words, the greater the global population, the greater the demand of inexpensive products such as plastic. Malaysian produce approximately 1.17 kilogram of waste for each person. It is estimated that the number will be continue rise as the population increase, and more worryingly will lead to the landfill sites around the world. Thirdly is mentality about disposal plastic. It has become customary for most of people still want plastic bag even though they just buy one thing. For example, buy only one food in the restaurant or any food stall but also use the plastic bag. This is because plastic is cheap material and people like not to appreciate it. This condition should be concerned since many of the people are already underestimating the use of plastic bag. And last but not least, plastic decomposition takes very long time. As we know, plastic waste is one of the many types of waste that takes too long to decompose. The chemical bonds that make up plastic are solid and long-lasting. The rate of decomposition of plastic may vary depending on the type, but this is usually range from 50 to 600 years. And people need to take this problem seriously because it can give the negative impact for many industry, especially food industry.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ainatu Mardia binti Zakaria and my metric number is S51896. Today I would like to present a part of our report which is the implication of plastic waste to the food industry in Malaysia. Malaysia is one of the countries categorized as the top 10 plastic waste in the world. Getting a label named as plastic waste will get implication for the food industry in Malaysia. The first implication of plastic waste in the food industry is the food industry will be lack of food packaging. The lack of food packaging will be pose a problem to the food industry that occur during plastic wastage. Plastic is the most important material in food protection. Plastic is commonly used material in food packaging. This is because plastic is lightweight, durable, airtight material and can be recycled. For the second implication is that the food industry will lose its brain due to plastic waste in Malaysia. This is because plastic waste will have an impact to food industry which use a lot of plastic packaging for food. For example, frozen foods are very high in the use of plastic packaging. Many people know that the widespread of used plastic is the cause from the food industry. This is unavoidable because the food industry is synonymous with the packaging using plastic material. Although this waste of plastic is from the uncredited human attitude, the food industry will get blamed from the attitude of irresponsible people for waste the plastic. Lack of income. This is because the plastic waste is caused by wastage of food that has not been eaten or food that has not been touched. Food wasted are lead the people to waste the plastic. Food industry that use plastic as food packaging will experience a shortage of income when the government give instruction to slow down food production using plastic packaging. The implication of this lack of income will affect the food industry because the capital of raw material to produce food will be higher than the profit they have earned. Slight profit will affect the payment of employee salaries, upgrading places will be affected, and other problems. For the next implication to the food industry is high cost of improving the packaging. This only involve the food industry which use plastic packaging from the company itself. Food companies that use their own plastic packaging will be costly to create the improvement of packaging. This is because the food company feel responsible for the environment and the people health also. To maintain a healthy environment and keep people healthy, food industry companies will do it their best to upgrade plastic packaging to packaging that does not use plastic material. Gaining a name as the top 10 plastic waste in the world has tarnished the image of the food industry in Malaysia. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Rosiana binti Omar and my metric number is S51848. Today I would like to present how to reduce plastic in food industry. First, eliminate plastic straw. For example, government and private sector should provide and encourage restaurants to use paper, bamboo and metal straw. Next example is in 2020, Starbucks also set goal to eliminate plastic straw from their company. Next, second way how to reduce plastic in food industry is use reusable bottle, glass and spice. For example, you can clean again metal bottle and glass and refill it again. Next, third way to reduce plastic in food industry is reduce the single-use plastic food container. Single-use plastic are such as polystyrene, bottle, wrapper and plastic bag. So, the way you can reduce it is by carrying your own food and beverage. Not only can reduce the disposal plastic, it also safe and free harmful chemical. Next, how to reduce plastic in food industry is preventing plastic waste. For example, you can bring your own bag to shopping and buy your food. The all four way is good to reduce plastic in food industry.
In conclusion, the issue of plastic waste is still a major concern in Malaysia. Everybody needs to play a role and be more sensitive to this issue. This problem affects not only the environment but also affects the several industry in Malaysia, especially food industry. Therefore, steps and obligations must be taken by everyone, such as eliminating the plastic straw, contribute in reusable metal, glass, ceramic items, and so on. If this preventive measure is done well, Malaysia will certainly become more sustainable country, and the existing industry such as food industry also will get the good image and not be looked down from the other country.